She doesn't even know that we're vlogging. I just pulled the camera out. But it's a sad but happy day because today is kind of the last day we're going to be filming here at the house. The thumbnail and title of this video is not clickbait. We got a warehouse. This is the last video from the house. We got all of these cars to move. I'm already running late. I have to go pick up the keys to the warehouse right now.
Guys, this is our fourth unpublished video that we're currently recording, in the middle of recording, because we have so much different progress projects right now. So we're starting our fourth one now.
It's been a while. We've been pretty inactive, but it's because we've been making big moves behind the camera. Of course, you guys, we got the new warehouse. I think you guys already knew that, but
we're currently getting the floor epoxied in the actual garage side of things, so everything's in the office space.
And it's a complete mess.
Yes.
She's got the hiccups. But yeah, you can see everything is just scattered all over the place. The office space was renovated. The carpets were redone, even though they are super dirty right now. The walls were painted, tiles, new ceiling lights. Everything looks great in the office, but the warehouse space is struggling quite a bit. So they already started out back. We have our good friends through McCully Construction. They're over here helping us out because it's a lot of labor, I'm not gonna lie. So they came in clutch.
But we also don't have the big grinding and sanding tools that they have.
All that stuff. We did days of research. It was just worth having them help us out. Oh boy. So here is the pallet of stuff. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of work that needs to be done. They have a whole trailer full of equipment. Just imagine trying to do this all yourself. It's just not worth it. So all of our equipment we got online through Armor Epoxy. And if you wanna do your epoxy at home, we highly recommend getting high grade, professional quality material. I promise you, you do not wanna get the DIY kits that they sell at Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff like that. Just don't do it. Go with someone like Armor Epoxy. We like them because they ship directly to your front door or wherever you're located, and they have great reviews online. So that's who we went with, and we're really excited because we'll show you what we decided to go with in terms of the colors and flakes. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Granted, a lot of research going back and forth, comparing a bunch of different garages, which you can see it on his short form content. But basically he was trying to see all the different types of epoxy that people, our friends, run at their garage with the different percentages of flaking. And I'm like, whatever looks good, Grant. She
gave me creative freedom, which we love. So let's check it out.
So the problem with our warehouse was that there was some type of paint, half done cheap epoxy that was green all over the flooring, and it was already peeling and already messed up. So there was a lot of prep work that had to go into this. That had to be taken off by completely sanding it. Then the patchwork came because there was a lot of cracks and really weird unleveled surfaces. So once that was done, now we're laying down the base layer, a couple epoxy, I don't know all the different intricate levels.
So yeah, we decided to go with a 3-layer epoxy, commercial grade. Our warehouse space in here is 2,750 square feet. So a good amount of material was needed for this. But as you guys can see right now, the boys are here and they are helping us out because we would be struggling doing this. You can see below my feet right now, all of this right here is all patchwork. So they got a part A and part B, concrete patch sealer, and then they basically scraped it over all of the holes and cracks. And now they're laying down the first coat of epoxy. But this is what the concrete looks like after it's been grinded. And now they're laying the first layer down. This is the primer, and this is what it looks like. Literally such a big difference just with this. That's crazy. I'm really excited to see the finished results because this has got to go.
We're definitely gonna have to do some repainting on the black walls.
Yeah. Another thing is we did the paint ourselves in the warehouse. So we painted all the walls. We did 2 layers. And it was kind of a pain in the butt. We ran to Home Depot, got all the materials, did all the labor ourselves with our friend Michael, and in hindsight, we should have just taken the quote that the painter gave us, because at the end of the day, we ended up saving only $1,000.
Mathematically, yeah.
And it was just totally worth having somebody else do it. So we learned our lesson, which is why we hit them up to help us out for the epoxy. But we did get the flakes delivered.
Are they in these?
Nope.
Where are they?
Guess again.
There, I see them. Oh, that's kind of cool.
So yes.
Whoa.
These are the cool flakes. These are the silver ones.
Wow. It is glitter. It's big chunks of glitter.
And then we have a more pearlized one. So this is a white version, and then a black pearl flakes. So they're gonna look really cool.
Woo!
You are
looks
silly.
Like crushed mirror.
Do it. Do it.
Should I?
Do it.
Whoa.
That's actually insane.
Whoa, it's good. No.
Oh my god, bro. That's what our epoxy floor is about to look like. We got the Maserati out here. It's hot here in Michigan, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not complaining because it's usually very cold, which is one of the main reasons we got the warehouse to begin with. We got the first coat, the primer, done. Tomorrow we're laying the epoxy down, and I'm just excited. I'm excited to be back on the grind. It's gonna be a lot more consistent content from this point out, and it's good to be back. I'm gonna head home for the night, get some more work done, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Day 2, you guys, and the primer has dried, so we can walk on it. Of course, it looks a little bit spotty because it's more of a thin layer, but today is, I want to say, kind of like one of 2 main days. So today they're putting on the full layer of epoxy. So it goes primer, epoxy, then top coat, and then theoretically there's a second top coat on top of that. But today is the epoxy day. They just started laying down the epoxy here, so you could see it's a lot more even and thick than where the primer was, and it's more white. It's very, very white. So I think it's gonna look really good. I'm very excited. Just like that, we are finishing up for the day. Tomorrow is going to be a longer day. So tomorrow there's quite a process that has to be done. Got to come in here, sand it with 100 grit sandpaper, then clean it with acetone, and then we're putting on a white top coat. And from there, we're putting the flakes on top. So we are sampling a little bit right here too. That looks pretty good, I think. And that's just one of the colors, so we have multiple colors to mix in. And just like that, the boys are done for the day. Catch you guys in the morning for the big day. It's day 3? I don't remember. The days are going by quick. These guys are really fast, so they're like in and out. Today, we just arrived, but they were here at around 9, and it's currently 11 o'clock. What they did today was they sanded down the white. This is the main epoxy coat, and now they're gonna do a white top coat, flakes, and then a clear top coat on top of that. That's good, right? I think so. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh, this is a beautiful silver. Yeah.
Start with a quarter, then we can go to half maybe.
White floor with that silver and black and that gray.
Oh, that looks nice. All right, so we mixed the flakes and they look good. I will say, so we have 4 colors total. We have this white pearl right here. This is the silver. So this is a very like chrome-like substance in a way, or color. We also did a hint of black. We didn't really use much of the black. And then the last color we used was the main base coat, which was, this is the main color we used.
Not too heavy, and that's good.
That right there, that is the blueprint. We are thinking garage door back here. We want to do
Hot tub right here, pool right here, 4 posts, 4 posts, 4 posts. And then we're gonna have a runway that comes down through the middle, and then
for a fashion show.
Yeah.
4 posts, triple stack from Benpack. 2 posts, 2 posts from Benpack. Welding machine station there.
And a drive-through restaurant right in the middle.
It's only like 95, 100 today in Michigan. So, like I said, today they're doing a super bright white coat, and they're gonna put the flake on top of that, let it dry. Then we're doing a clear coat in the morning tomorrow. But yeah, let's throw the flakes. Sorry.
Wow.
No, it's not going to be 100% everywhere, but I'll try to match it as much as,
Flakes are going down. It's gonna be that, and then we're done for the day. I mean, as in they are, we're literally not doing anything. We're just giving our insight and input, but tomorrow we might be busy. We'll see. Tomorrow is the final day. So you guys can see here, this is the epoxy layer, then this is the white top coat layer, and then off in the distance, they are throwing the flakes down over there. So kind of funny seeing the 3 steps in a way, but they're gonna finish epoxy, or they're gonna finish doing the white top coat all the way across. The flakes are pretty vibrant. I'm not gonna lie, I could see some of the sparkles all the way from over here. So I'm pretty excited to see how it looks when the product is finished. That's sweet.
Tony, he tricks you when you offer.
Well, there is the main coat right there, you guys. We definitely need some more lights in here to kind of emphasize the epoxy finish. Lights off. We will follow up with you guys tomorrow. It's looking pretty good. And I am very excited to see the clear coat and how it looks after that. So again, for the 3rd time in a row, I'll see you guys in the morning.
No. Tell me if we can, I'm gonna roll right behind him. Stay out.
It's all pretty much the same, huh? Go ahead. Okay.
It is the last and final day, and the epoxy is already looking really good. I'm excited for the top coat. We did have to put a little bit of anti-slip in there just to be on the side of caution. They went ahead and mixed the anti-slip into the clear top coat, and they're gonna go ahead and lay it down. Armor Epoxy honestly made this really easy on us. We called them probably 5 times over the course of the install just for clarification on certain things in terms of installation instructions and stuff like that. And their customer support is 10 out of 10. So honestly, I'm actually impressed. The floor is done. It looks amazing. We need more lights to really brighten up the floor even more. As you can see, there's some dark spots, but the floor itself looks absolutely amazing. Again, huge shout out to Armor Epoxy and Macaulay Construction for even making this a possibility, because as you guys know, epoxy floors aren't necessarily cheap, but they last a long time and they're worth the investment. I'm really excited. We have a lot planned for this garage, you guys. It's gonna be not just a wrenching on our cars and working hard. It's gonna be a cool hangout spot as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next videos, because we have simulators and car lifts and a whole bunch of crazy stuff planned for this space. So catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.